everyone, welcome to my video. Tacos! Did you know what? This is a taco compartment? Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a makeup review. I am so excited, but we are going to go all out for this makeup review. I'm going to do a tutorial, unboxing. We are going to eat some food and get some tacos. So, I ordered the Chipotle times e.l.f. collab. So e.l.f. Eyes, Lips, Face collabed with Chipotle, and this is the closest I'm gonna get to Chipotle. I've never tried Chipotle, and some of you might be like, what? There's no Chipotle anywhere near me. I've never even seen a Chipotle, I don't think. Maybe in Vegas when I was there a while back, but there's nowhere, anywhere near where I am at. I would love to try Chipotle. So we are gonna still get some burritos today and some tacos. Dude, does Chipotle have tacos? I don't know. You guys are so lucky. This makeup palette is inspired by Chipotle, so like guacamole and stuff like that. And girl, I like food and I like burritos, and your girl has a guacamole, so I can still do this. I'm gonna open this up and let's see what we got. Okay, so I kind of went in. What does it say? It's e.l.f. amazing? It is, girl. And inside here, I've got the goods. Oh, the box has had it. Ow! Excuse you. Woo! And in here we have like this. Be like, what? This is so worth it. This is so essential. I feel like this is not well packaged at all, but that's okay. Like, there's like no bubble wrap or anything. I hope these shades are good, but this is what the palette looks like. It says e.l.f. times Chipotle. I just opened it up here. She's a little damaged a bit, but I cannot wait to read these shade names for you guys. Here are the shade names. There's a glare with all like the lights and stuff like that, so I kind of have to hold it at an angle. Once I take this plastic off, you can see the shades better, but I just want to show you guys the names. We got lettuce and guac, hot salsa, there's fajita, white rice, corn salsa. Oh my god, look at all that. I feel like the packaging is a little bit flimsy. I thought it was gonna be metal just by the looks of it, but I do like the packaging of it here. It's so cute. I want to eat it up like a burrito. Can I eat it? It sold out so quickly. I'm so glad I got my hands on it. I bought this with my own money, by the way. I'm not sponsored. I hadn't really heard any reviews, so I'm coming here to give you guys a review, and then we're gonna go eat some burritos. What? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't like that. So once you take the, oh no, the shade names, now I don't know what shade they are. It looks just like a very basic palette now, and the shade names are not on the back. So once the shade names are gone, they're literally gone. Ah! So we have lettuce, green salsa, guac, hot salsa, corn salsa, mild salsa, sofritas, pinto beans, black beans, white rice, brown rice. This is the only one I'm like, that does not look like brown rice to me. And then this is fajita. Again, I've never had Chipotle, so I don't know if that's like revolutionary to you guys or anything like that. I know the guac is extra money. People always talk about it. Also, is the hype really that big with Chipotle? Is it really, really that good? Okay, so I'm gonna swatch one of them and then we're gonna build a look here. Let's do this one, and I forget which one it is already. It's lettuce, right? Lettuce. So this is what it looks like. And then on my hand, ew. It looks really like flaky, but nobody goes like this and swatches on their eyes. That's why you can't really trust a swatch. You have to actually build the colors on. I was gonna say flavors. That's so dumb about the shade names there. Also, like, it's so, I feel like it's just so cheap, but you know what? It's just the novelty of it for me. Let's make a burrito on our face. Take some pinto beans. This is really flaky. A dusty one. I'm just gonna, oh my god, I don't have any primer on. Who am I? Putting the primer on after my shadow, you know? Hot girl shit. There. And I'm just using the primer potion from Urban Decay. Hey girl, it actually works over top of the shadow. Should just quit while we're ahead. Are we ahead though? Just blend this into the crease a bit. I have my window open. Hopefully you guys can hear the vibes of the good old Saskatoon. There's not much coming off. I feel like these colors don't really look good together, like in the pan. They kind of look like muddy and everything. Me in a pig pen. Anyway, now that we've defined the crease a little bit, maybe we'll darken the crease with some, what are they? Black beans? With some black beans. We're gonna have like a real beany crease here. We're just gonna have a bean crease with some guacamole lettuce eyes. Who ordered that today? Did you order that? Okay, these do blend pretty well actually. I feel like they don't really give that pow of color payoff. Like I probably wouldn't reach for them. We're gonna grab this one, and is that guac? Or is it lettuce? The guac is sparkly. Should I just put it all over the lid? You know what, we're gonna do it. We're just gonna put a green all over the lid. She's not really showing up. She showed up in the pan, but you know what? Oh my goodness. That's looking not nice. Why is this not really looking nice? Why is this like not green? It does kind of look like a burrito when in my face. My everyday anyway. I'm like having to pack this color on. Not that much fallout. White rice. High carbs. I'm just gonna try to define the brows here. Ooh, looks kind of cute. Okay, this white is nice. It's shimmery a little bit. It's defining and popping the brow bone nicely. We want some more beans. We're gonna take more of that pinto bean and blend out the tops here. It gets really muddy when you mix the two colors right here. I don't know, I don't really like these shadows that much. I feel like they're like chalky. It's not really blending between the two that nicely. Ugh, it just looks like burrito throw up. I'm gonna put some of this guac over top of this. Ooh, yeah, it did a little. It lightened it up a bit too. Whoa, look at that. The more we pack. This is actually kind of pretty. I like it. Why does it actually look like lettuce and beans? Like, I can't. It looks like a burrito bowl. Brown rice, we're gonna put in the inner corner here. This does not look like brown rice. Since when is brown rice, like, look at her highlight brown rice? I'm never gonna be eating brown rice and be like, oh, that has some shimmer to it. I'm hungry. This is making me hungry. I like this inner, like, look at the shimmer. It's so pretty. Some of the colors are hit. Other ones are quite miss, if I must say. I'm definitely gonna keep the palette just for, like, that brown rice color, honestly. I'm gonna put more of the brown rice just up in there. Okay, this color right here is calling my name. Mild salsa. I want to put it underneath. I don't know if it's going to ruin the whole look. It's like a shimmery copper red. This look is actually quite pretty. Okay, the more I'm putting it on, the more it is building up. Girl, we gotta always have some hot sauce, right? We got some rice, some guacamole, lettuce, some beans, and we added the hot sauce. I'm gonna use some Fix Plus. Shimmery color again, just to see if I can get that actual shimmer in there. Oh, there we go. It's going a little bit more metallic-y. Yes, that's what I wanted. Look at it standing out now. I have no product on my brush. I'm just gonna blend out the very, very tops of them. The beans. I've got a brand new liquid liner I just bought. This is the L'Oreal Linear Intense one. I used to use this all the time. Okay, I'm gonna put on my lashes and we'll be back. Woo! Okay, there we go. I put these lashes on. Do we like the look? It kind of does look like a burrito bowl, like a mushed up burrito bowl. So I achieved my life. Bottom lashes. Okay, for my lips, I'm just gonna wear this Milani 3D gloss in Starshine. Look at this. Sparkle glitter. Ooh, DSLs. How do you like the eyes? Does it look like salsa and chipotle? The darker colors and the brighter colors here, I wasn't a fan of, but I love the shimmeries. Like this underneath here, I think is gonna look really nice all over the lid. I really liked these two shades right here, and I'm very interested to try the gold. So I wasn't really a fan of like the matte, but I'm really glad that we tried it, and I didn't like how the colors blended together, but I like the concept. It made me hungry, so let's go get some burrito. Alrighty, here we are. Good old fake Chipotle. We're at the Bell of Tacos. I'm so happy.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good, how are you?
I'm alright, thanks for asking. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a burrito supreme, but can I get it with chicken instead of steak? And I'll get a single crunchy taco. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna do a little eating show. So a lot of traffic here. That guy literally stopped to stare in this car. That's what I do. It's a creep. I literally like this. You don't need to stare in a car. Durable, eco-friendly paper straw. I got a crunchy taco. Let's talk about it. They gave me a plethora of napkins, and here's my fake Chipotle. Me, tastes exactly like it. Also me, has never had it. I put a taco in my sunglass thing. I'm so dumb. Look at, doesn't this look like my eyes? Eyeshadow? It does. No cap, it does. Why does this actually look like the makeup look? Why is this burrito low-key so good? It's got beans in it. So much beans. Is it so many or so much? I mean, pop off with that 3 pieces of chicken. What's your Taco Bell order? Let's taco about it. I love that sentence. I don't even know what I got. I just got the first burrito I saw. Burrito Supreme Chicken. It's creamy. I think this burrito is better than the makeup palette. So I want to take this time to say that I didn't like the makeup palette. But e.l.f. eyeshadows usually are not a vibe. I want to take this time to say what is a vibe from e.l.f. The toys they make for Santa. Them hyping Rudolph up. Just kidding. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I just swallowed a piece of tomato without chewing it. I'm a legend. Why is this the color of my makeup? Like the red's coming through now at the bottom. Literally at the bottom of the burrito. They're eyebrow pencils. amazing. Their liquid liner. My friend just recommended to me their luminous face powder. She said it's so good. So we don't like one thing from a company. It doesn't mean their whole vibe's off, right? It hasn't creased or anything. That's good. Don't want to leave you hanging without a nacho dunk, hey? Chips and cheese. Can't wait for heartburn later. My haters be like, I got heartburn from watching your video. Okay, so I'm gonna go now, but just remember that if you're ever hungry, keep a taco in your taco compartment. Bye, guys.